The following two short songs are songs a comrade has never thought he would sing 36 years after independence. But after exploitation of men by men, these are the kind of songs that you hear a comrade singing to liberate themselves from the other comrade, this time not a British enemy. The resolutions that came out of the meeting, which was held by the war veterans in Harare, are almost the same with what hashtag this flag Pastor Ivan Mawarire has been saying over a short period of some time now. What remains to be seen is a comment from the ruling party if the war veterans are being sponsored by the British or a third hand. ZimdiTv News.